Welcome back to digital marketing tools and techniques. So last time we have seen how to create a Google Analytics account. So today what we are seeing going to learn is just the reverse of that. Like we are going to learn how we can delete a Google Analytics account. So we might come across various situations when we need to delete our Google Analytics account. So let's see how we can delete our Google Analytics account in simple steps. So this is the main dashboard for our Google Analytics. So if you go to the left side, you can see certain links. Just go to the admin panel, which is at the left bottom area. Like here you can see admin. Click on that. Yeah, now you can see your admin dashboard here. So just click on the account settings over here. Click on that. Yeah, so if you go down, you can see that there are certain data over here, but we don't want to go through that right now. We just need to delete the account. So what we have to do is just go to the right hand side. Here you can see a small button, move to trash can. You can just click on that and it will help you to delete your account. Click on that. Yeah, here you can see the instructions. Move account to trash can. Before moving your analytics account my website to the trash can, please review the checklist below. My website is the name of my website, and we have to go through the checklist given below. Once an account expires from the trash can, it cannot be restored. Yeah, when you send it to the trash can after a certain period of time, it will expire. So once it expires, you cannot restore the account. Otherwise you can restore it whenever you want it. Okay, so here are some checklists, so just go through that. So I'm just directly going to the trash account button. Here you can see the blue button, trash account. Click on that. Yeah, that account is gone. Now we are just having the sandbox account, which is a default account from Google Analytics. Earlier it was my website here, so it's gone. So yeah, that's how we can delete a Google Analytics account. So that's it for today. I hope that you understood how to delete your existing Google Analytics account. So if you found it useful, please like, share and comment. If you have any doubts, you can post a comment over there. And also, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon while you do it. So till I come with my next video, please stay tuned. Bye bye.